the Smith House, circa 1895, built in the colonial revival style. Contractor William Elliott built this home in 1895 for W. H. Smith, Jr. The architect of this brick colonial was W. H. Patton. Attorney Levin Smith, his wife Nellie, and their two young daughters, Sarah and Elizabeth, were the original residents of this house. Sarah Smith, a West Virginia University professor, lived in this house for 94 years until her death in November 1989. There have been several owners since her death who have restored and updated the house with modern conveniences. The house is two-storied and has a finished attic. The entrance is off a large portico into a reception hall with a cozy nook and a fireplace under a large oak staircase. A lovely stained glass window, which is original to the house, floods the reception hall and the second floor landing with light. All the ceilings throughout the first and second floors are curved. The rooms are finished with cherry and oak woodwork, and the floors are oak hardwood throughout. There are 4 large pocket doors, 3 in cherry and 1 in oak, 9 handcrafted gas fireplaces with carved mantelpieces and tile facings originally heated the house and are still in use. Several gas chandeliers remain and have been electrified. Still in working order is the servant calling system, a precursor to the modern intercom. The family room, originally called the library, overlooks the courtyard.